Hi, I'm Ronald, and today I just want to give you a quick update on what's going to happen next month for Inktober. Yes, it's that time of the year again where I dedicate a whole month of drawing and inking for, I believe it's sixth year in a row, and hopefully I would be able to finish and participate again this year. But since I've been busy with work lately, I may not be able to draw all 31 prompts. I may choose some random daily prompts that I may like to draw. And since I have this sketchbook that I use for my 2019 Inktober entries with some remaining pages that I may need to fill in, I believe I still have 17 pages left. So probably I would use this and just draw 17 prompts this year. And that way I'm not giving myself too much of a pressure, and also I'm gonna be able to upload on a daily basis as well on YouTube. So I would just make sure that I'll be uploading on my Instagram as soon as it's available. It's at Tlanierski, spelled as Tlaneyerski. And I guess that would be it for now. Hope you would be able to support me on my channel by liking, commenting, sharing, especially subscribing to keep updated with some art and random stuff. I guess that would be it for now. Thank you and see you in my next video.